white chocolate. Use the highest white chocolate you can, and then add your unsalted butter, and in a microwave melt it together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't burn your white chocolate. In a separate bowl, add your eggs with icing sugar and mix everything until it's nice and smooth. Then add your vanilla extract and mix everything together. Next, I'm adding my white chocolate mixture with butter and mixing everything again until it's nice and smooth. Then add your sifted flour and whisk everything until it becomes nice and smooth again. Take your ramekins and use butter around, and then we're going to add some flour. This is to ensure that our cakes don't get stuck to the ramekins. Then add your white chocolate mixture inside, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons, and then add 1 teaspoon of your caramel right in the middle. And then top it up with more white chocolate lava. We're going to bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. In a bowl, add your heavy or double cream. Then add your caramel inside. I'm using just 1 teaspoon, and mix everything together until it's nice and fluffy and becomes nice and soft. Do not overmix the mixture. It should be looking just like that. Flip your cake over and gently take it off. You can see the caramel at the top. We're going to add our caramel cream on top, and then I'm going to add more caramel sauce on top. This is an overindulgent white chocolate caramel cake, so really recommend it. And of course I'm gonna add some more icing sugar and some caramel popcorn. Now this cake is to die for. It's really indulgent, very decadent, very sweet, but I love it. If you're a big fan of caramel and popcorn, then you're gonna love this cake. And when you cut into each cake, you will see a soft sort of vanilla sponge, which is very airy, with caramel and cream all mixed together. Literally so yummy, guys. I hope you try this recipe.